Right now, the so-called ringleader has turned himself in connection with an alleged Penn State drug trafficking ring involving fraternities.
Agostino Abatello turned himself in today. Prosecutors say he and a local guy, Thomas Robinson, sold cocaine to Penn State students. Robinson is from the Churchill area, and investigators say Robinson was one of the ringleaders and that his father, attorney Paul Robinson, tried to cover it up.
KDKA's Mamie Ba spent the day talking to neighbors and community members.
Their neighbors are in disbelief. They didn't want to go on camera, but say the Robinsons are a good family. Others in the community say they are disgusted. 2 mugshots, one Church Hill family, and allegations tying a father and son to a drug trafficking investigation at Penn State. Today, people in the community are reacting.
I am shocked.
14 people were charged Monday for the conduct that reportedly took place in 2023 and 2024. State prosecutors allege that 23-year-old Thomas Robinson was one of the ringleaders, selling cocaine from the Delta Upsilon fraternity house. And that's not all.
Cocaine was primarily packaged at the fraternity houses. And in fact, we found a pattern of events that showed cutting and bagging cocaine was, for some pledges, an indoctrination into the Delta Upsilon and Sigma Chi fraternities.
13 of the defendants were Penn State students at the time. The other, Thomas's father, Paul. He's accused of trying to cover it up by reportedly hiding evidence, including a safe containing drugs and cash. Paul Robinson is a managing attorney at local law firm Meyer and Dara.
It's amazing. Someone that has a good profession and gets into something like this, I don't understand it.
I think it's disgusting. The guy should be thrown in jail for the rest of his life.
Some people say he's a father trying to protect his kid.
That's not any way to raise your child.
This isn't Thomas Robinson's first run-in with the law. He's currently in the middle of an open case from December of 2024 out of Center County. He's facing multiple felony and misdemeanor charges, accused of possession and distribution of a controlled substance. I reached out to Penn State about his student status. A spokesperson tells me they can only share that he was last enrolled at Penn State in spring of 2025. We did go to the Robinsons' home. We were told this is a private matter and they have no comment. Their neighbors declined to go on camera, but they tell me they are shocked by this because the Robinsons are good people. I did reach out to Thomas's attorney regarding his case out of Center County. I didn't hear back. Mamie Ba reporting, KDKA-TV News.
Now, the local law firm Paul Robinson works for released a statement late this afternoon saying, in part, the allegations concern Mr. Robinson individually and do not involve the firm, its clients, or the legal services provided by the firm. The firm is reviewing the circumstances surrounding the matter. Now, as for the fraternities named in this, Penn State has placed Delta Upsilon on interim suspension while the investigation continues. Sigma Chi, the other fraternity allegedly connected to this, is not a recognized Penn State organization and operates outside the university's support and oversight.